Crazy facts about giant bird-eater spiders. Giant bird-eater spiders, Theraphosa blondi, are the largest spiders in the world, with leg spans reaching up to 12 inches. Despite their name, they rarely prey on birds. Their diet mainly consists of insects, small rodents, and other invertebrates. These impressive arachnids are native to the rainforests of South America, particularly found in Brazil, Venezuela, and Suriname. Bird-eater spiders defend themselves by producing a hissing noise and rubbing their bristly legs together. Despite their intimidating size and appearance, they are relatively docile and rarely pose a threat to humans unless provoked.